Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Steam integration to Dreamrise Studios Ultimate Multiplayer Survival Pack version 6. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to head over to my Epic Games launcher and create a project for Ultimate Multiplayer Survival. And I'll just call this something like Ultimate Multiplayer Blank. And now I'll go ahead and hit create for version 5.6. And also join their Discord. I left the link in the description below. Admins will send you what you need to copy paste over your content. And this will just help ease the process of adding Steam integration. And what you're going to want to do is just message an admin or just email them at dreamrisestudios@gmail.com and send them over your order number and just get verified. And now after verification, an admin has sent me their Steam pack, which comes with our config and content files. And I'm going to head over to this link, which has the Advanced Sessions plugin by Mordentroll. This guy's pretty famous for his VR plugin for Unreal Engine. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to the master. You can scroll down if you're using a different version, but I'll just stick to master. And I'm just going to download this zip like so. And after it's done installing, I'm just going to click on the Advanced Sessions plugin, master, extract all, and go ahead and just extract it to this same folder. And now you'll have this advanced plugins with all of these folders and files in it. And now what we want to do next is actually just head over to our project file. So I'll probably need to close this. So I'll go ahead and hit content, show in Explorer, and I'll go ahead and close this. And now while I'm in the Explorer, I'm going to go back to the Ultimate Multiplayer Blank. And I'm going to right click, go to new folder, and create a plugins folder. And now with this plugins folder, I'm going to go back to the advanced sessions and just drag the advanced sessions and advanced theme sessions. Just go ahead and drag this in like so. And now let's actually go ahead and enable these plugins in Unreal Engine itself. So I'll go back to my Epic Games launcher, open up my project, and I'll head over to edit and then go down to plugins. And now you'll see under this project, there's advanced sessions and advanced theme sessions. Go ahead and enable those. And I'm just going to hit restart. We actually need to close the project, but I'm just restarting so I get this missing ultimate blah, blah, blah. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit yes to rebuild them. And now this starting build is coming up. You can click show log to see how your progress is going. And now that the project has opened, I'm just going to go ahead and close it. And in the Steam pack sent over by the admin, all I'm going to do is copy over the config and content folder into my project. So we have this config and content over here. I'm just going to go ahead and grab these two, drag it over, and I'll hit replace files in the destination. And as simple as that, let's go ahead and just open up the project. And now you'll see the Steam folder, knowing that our update is complete. And let's go ahead and go to our BP game instance UMSP. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for BP. Just going to go ahead and search for it, double click on it and open this up. And now what we need to do is make sure that the parent is set to advanced friends game instance. And it is, but if it's not, you can go ahead and head to class settings and reparent it to the advanced friends game instance like so. And then in Unreal Engine, we're just going to head over to file. We're just going to head over to edit, project settings, go to maps and modes, and then on the bottom of maps and mode, head over to your game instance class and make sure that it's set to BP underscore game instance underscore UMSP. And now let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm just going to go to my map and then hit the three dots and click standalone game. And it should pop up Steam and you should be able to see it on the bottom right, but let's go ahead and check this out. So it'll launch as a standalone game. And now on the bottom right, it says access Steam features. And if I hit shift tab, it'll show my Steam account like so. And we are officially connected to Steam. And that's pretty much how you set up Steam multiplayer with your Ultimate Multiplayer Survival Pack. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you're going to see next. Don't forget to get verified, and the Discord link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.